Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to solve question number 7 from exercise 6.4. So what is question number 7? Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle describes on one side of a square. Means we have one square. Let's say it is A, B, C, D, and one equilateral triangle on one side of a square. Let's say here one equilateral triangle QBD. You know, equilateral triangle means this side equals to this, all sides are equal and all angles are 60 degree. Okay, this is the property of equilateral triangle. Is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on its diagonals. Means in this there is one diagonal and here also one equilateral triangle. Means make it as P, means AP equals to AD equals to PD equals to AD, and these angles, all angles are 60 degree. Okay, so what we have to prove? Prove that area of BDQ, area of triangle BDQ equals to half of this area of triangle APD. Okay, so this we have to prove that. And what is given? Given that BDQ and triangle APD are equilateral triangle. Correct? So equilateral triangle property, this all sides are equals and all angles are also equals, right? And this is 60 degree. All angles are equals to 60 degree. So if we will see in these two triangles BDQ and triangle APD, all angles are 60 degree. So it's your wish, you have to mention all angles, like in BDQ, what is BDQ equals to, we can mention any angles because all angles are equal. So PAD equals to 60 degree, angle BQD equals to angle PDA equals to 60 degree. All angles are 60. So we can say according to angle similarity criteria, triangle BDQ is similar to triangle APD, right? Now if two triangles are similar, so from theorem 6.6 we can say the ratio of these two triangles are ratio of area of these two triangles BDQ by area of triangle APD equals to what? The square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Okay, so I can take any of the side because all are equals. So in triangle BDQ I am taking BD. Okay, because on BD only we are drawing one equilateral triangle. Okay, and in this triangle APD I am taking AD. Okay, now make it as 1. Okay, now there is a formula on AD and BD. You know what? I will explain that formula. Like if we have one square, okay, and this is one diagonal. Okay, so this is a square. So what is the square property? This is 90 degree. Correct? So that means this is a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, if this is ABC, so AC square equals to what? AB square plus BC square, right? Now, since this is a square, that means ki AB equals to BC, right? So AB square plus, instead of BC, can we write down AB because all angles are similar in this square. So BC equals to AB square. That means 2 of AB square, right? So AC square equals to 2 of twice of AB square, right? Or we can also write down AC square by AB square equals to 2, or 2 by 1 also we can mention, right? Now here since we have this, means what is AC in this triangle? What is the AC? AC is hypotenuse, and AB, what is AB? AB is our one side. This means ki hypotenuse by side equals to 2 by 1. Now in this triangle, here from equation 1, what is BD? BD is one side, and AD is the hypotenuse, correct? So BD, sorry, here I forgot to mention square, because theorem 6.6 square of the ratio of two ratio of corresponding sides. Okay, so instead of BD, we will just write BD is one side. Okay, and what is that? BD square, here we will mention BD square and AD square. Okay, now again BD square by what is AD square? AD is the hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to twice of one side square, right? So instead of AD, means instead of hypotenuse, we can write down twice of AB square, right? AB or any one side of the square, like BD square, right? So this is the formula of square. Okay, hypotenuse square equals to twice of one side square. Okay, now this one and this one. So so this is equals to, means area of triangle BDQ by area of triangle ABD equals to 1 by 2, right? Now also we can write down area of triangle BDQ equals to this area of triangle, this will go this side, right? So 1 by 2 into area of triangle ABD, right? So the same thing we have to prove, right? So this is done now. Okay, now question number 8. So what is question number 8? Question number 8 is, okay, it's a multiple choice question. So AB, C and D, EF are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Means we have one triangle ABC. This is a equilateral triangle, and another one is BDE, means B, D and E. This is also another equilateral triangle, and here it's mentioned D is the midpoint of BC, means ki BD equals to DC, right? It's given. So ratio of the area of, we have to find out area of AD ABC by area of triangle BDE equals to what? Okay, now this is ABC and this is BDE. Okay, so to find the ratio of area of these two triangles, we have to see कि these two triangles are similar or not. Okay, since these two triangles are equilateral, so means कि all angles are 60 degree, correct? So if we will say, see triangle ABC and triangle BDE. Correct? I am just writing it here. All angles are 60 degree, right? So according to angle similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE, right? So if these two triangles are similar, that means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDE equals to what? Equals to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides. So in this ABC, I am taking BC because that one equation is given here. So I am taking BC by, in this small triangle BDE, I am taking BD. Okay. So instead of BC, can we write DC? Yes. So, this is square. Okay. So instead of BC, I am writing BD. BD is, okay, BD equals to DC. So BC equals to what? BC equals to twice of BD, right? Because D is the midpoint of BC. So instead of BC, can we write down 2BD by BD square, right? So BD will go, means 2 by 1 square. That means 4 by 1. So this is the answer. So that means ki option C is correct. Okay. Now that last question of this exercise, question number 9. So what is this? Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio. Means if we have two similar triangles, let's say ABC, another one is DEF. Okay. And it's given that these are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. And sides, once any side or all sides are given, so I'm just taking one. AB by DE equals to 4 by 9. It's given. So we have to find out area of these triangles are in the ratio. Means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Correct? Since these two triangles are similar, means the ratio of areas of these two triangles equals to a square of the ratio of corresponding sides. So I am just taking AB, any side we can take. So AB by DE, right? So what is AB by DE? AB by DE equals to 4 by 9 square. So 4 4 ja 16 and 9 9 ja 81. So that means this is the answer. So option D will be correct. Okay. So now this exercise 6.4 has been done. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please write your comments in the comment section. Also like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.